This is the Danish Medeco Bilevel. This is the low security side. It does not have a sidebar or the rotating key pins. I believe it still has the pointed pin on number 6. I think 3 is binding. I don't think that hook's deep enough. You got to really get it. These chambers are low. It's like the sidewalls come down low, or the warding stops you. I don't know if I got that all the way or not. Four was binding. Something's not up all the way. I think it's pin 4. There we go. Now, get this deeper hook, see if this makes any difference. There, finally got 6. Then I get a shorter hook. It's like 2's binding. There we go. 2 must have been a mushroom. That warding's a little tricky. Makes it feel like those chambers are so deep, and you got to get just the right angle to get them pins. So for just standard drivers, that thing was, well, except I think that they all felt like standard drivers except 2 felt like it was definitely a mushroom. So yeah, for the low security side, just that warding gave it just a little bit different feel. All right. Well, throw a shim in here. Trying to get it past the drill plate so that hopefully it stays in. Well, it's going to end up coming out anyway when I gut it. So, like that does have the pointed pin on 6. Little spooled tip there on 2 and on 4. There's that vampire tooth looking pin. Kind of a conical shape. Let's see, I don't see any warding in there. But yeah, that's, you had to you got to go up in the hole of the warding. When you're going through, you can feel all those, the edges of the warding with that deep hook. You really got to get that pick way up in there for those high lifts. These drill plates are just just have to put them back in. It is grub, but I prefer to gut it this way. So standard on 1. There's that mushroom on 2. Standard on 3. And on 4. 5. And 6. All right, so yep, all standard except for that mushroom on 1. 6 kind of weird because you're picking that wedge shaped pin. It just feels a little different, but not too bad. This whole lock feels a little bit different. All right, that is the Medeco Danish Bilevel, the low security side.